Ngayong kumpirmado na ang paglalaro ni former NBA big man Paul Paul sa PBA, paano kaya sasagutin ng Barangay Ginebra resident import at crowd favorite na si Justin Noypi ang mga higante na papasukin ang PBA? Ang ibang detalye alamin sa muling pag-abante ni Carlo Villaseñor.
Tila David sa mundo ng mga gulayat sa kabila ng pagpasok ng mga nagtatangkarang import sa Commissioner's Cup, hindi nababahala si Justin Brownlee na isa sa pinakamaliit na import sa liga sa tangkad na 6'6". Ayon kay Brownlee, ang mga height mismatch ay hindi hadlang kundi isang pagkakataon, isang sitwasyon matagal niya nang ginagamit bilang bentahe sa kanyang laro.
I've seen the imports coming in, and just like every conference, I feel like, the imports, they always have gotten better and better over the years. And, to this conference right here, it's definitely no slack to that. I've seen a lot. Even got a couple friends, a couple former teammates that I played with, JD, James Dickey. Okay. So I'm sure y'all familiar with him now, from Phoenix. But yeah, I'm just excited, for the challenges. I'm ready to get back with Ginebra. I miss those guys over there. Haven't seen them or, had been in practicing or playing with them. It's been a while now, probably the longest it's been since I've been here, aside from the pandemic. But I'm just ready to get back. I'm happy to be, of course, with Gibbs right now, but I'm definitely excited to get back with Ginebra.
Sa pagbubukas ng conference, makaharap niya ang ilang kilala at dati niyang kasama, kabilang sina KD Lalane, James Dickey at Ismael Romero, mga big man brusko sa loob ng paint. Aminado si Brownlee na hindi madali ang mga ganitong matchup, lalo na sa mga import na kaya maglaro sa loob at labas ng paint. Gayunpaman, umaasa siyang magagamit niya ang bilis, talino sa laro at karanasan upang baliktarin ang sitwasyon.
I mean, I hope I can keep, causing the mismatch, but like I said, man, some tough imports out there. Obviously you got some imports that are just inside guys who probably can shoot threes, and then some imports can do both, whether it's inside and outside. So hopefully, those mismatches will present themselves, and I try my best to take advantage of them.
Mas lalo nadagdagan ang intriga sa pagpasok ng 7'3" former NBA player na si Bol Bol para sa TNT Tropang 5G, isang hamon na tinatanggap ni Brownlee nang walang pag-aalinlangan. Para sa veteranong import ng Ginebra, simple lang ang lapit, basahin ang depensa, samantalayin ang mismatch at ipaalala na ang Commissioner's Cup ay hindi lang labanan ng tangkad, kundi labanan ng husay at karanasan. Ako si Carlo Villaseñor, Abante Sports, nauna.